Webasto diesel heating. To run your heating, you will require at least 1/4 of a tank of fuel and a charged leisure battery. This is the Webasto heater output. You can rotate this nozzle to adjust the direction of airflow. Always ensure this remains clear of obstacles. This is the Webasto heater control panel. You can control your heater settings here. Press the large round button to wake the screen or to enter. Rotate the button as a dial to scroll through the menu settings. When your chosen mode icon is highlighted in the white box, press Enter to access these settings and make adjustments. Starting heater from main menu. Press the button to wake the screen and bring up the menu. The heating function mode should be activated as default. To start the heater, press the Enter button. Adjust the temperature by turning the control knob. Turn clockwise to increase the temperature or anti-clockwise to reduce the temperature. To confirm your chosen setting, press Enter and the on-off control button will turn green. This indicates the heater is activated. Depending on the internal and external temperature, it may take several minutes for the heater to start. To switch off the heating system from this mode, press the green illuminated on-off button on the top right. The button will then turn white. The heater will then initiate cool-down mode, then switch off. This may take several minutes, again depending on the temperature. On the dashboard you will find a Webasto heating indicator light. Depending on the model, the location may differ slightly. When the heating system is turned on, a green light will appear. When the system is turned off, the light will go out. Quick start. To quick start your heater, press the top right hand button on the control panel. A green indicator light will appear on the on-off button. Turn the control wheel anti-clockwise to lower the temperature and clockwise to raise it. When you are happy, press the Enter button to lock in this setting. The heater will then begin to ignite. Again, this may take several minutes to warm up. To turn off the heater in this mode, press the green on-off button. The light will turn white as the heater begins its cool-down cycle. The heater will shut off fully when the system has had enough time to cool down completely. When the heater has shut off, the white light on the on-off button will go out. Ventilation mode. You can run the Webasto heater on a cold air ventilation mode. Press the large Enter button on the display. Then scroll to the ventilation mode with the control wheel. Press Enter to confirm your selection. You can raise or lower the fan speed by rotating the control wheel and lock your setting by pressing Enter. You can adjust the duration. Press Enter for the maximum duration. You will notice the on-off button flash blue. When the light is solid blue, it is in ventilation mode. To switch off this mode, press the blue on-off button. The light will turn white when the ventilation mode is stopped. You will also receive a Webasto information pack on collection. This will provide further details on your heater. For more details, please refer to your handbook.